Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I have for you guys, I am going to be just really cleaning my kids' walls in their room. You will see that the walls were absolutely just disgusting. I didn't realize how dirty their walls really got until I really started cleaning them. So I gave their walls a nice little wipe down with some bleach and dish soap. I used a magic eraser and a cloth and just wiped down their walls. I wiped down their door, and then I vacuumed their room. I also cleaned their carpet again. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and keep on watching.
Every moment tonight, they led me to you. Every single time you look at me, I lose it too. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay. If I make it home tonight, may I hold you one last time? Let me hold you one last time. What if it's too late for me now? What if you gone to someone else, so we can never be the same? How can I make up for my sins? Now I'm lonely and it kills me. Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely. I know you don't wanna talk, but just pick up the phone. We could go for a walk, talk about the things we know. Why don't you come sit next to me? Let things happen naturally, like it used to be. I don't wanna go and waste another day, mess it up again, lost in my way. I'll be the one to have the highest price to pay.
as I'm watching me clean this door, this before shot of this door was so horrible, guys. It was so horrible. I don't understand where they got the crayons, for one, and two, why would you draw on the wall? And I know that's my daughter, my 5-year-old. I just know that's her. And she had to say bye to her drawings because they had to go. I could not do it.
Can you hear me, babe? I'm lonely.
Feel it in my bones, I can feel it in my veins. Hands in the sky, I can feel the winds of change. You live and you learn, and I hope I've seen enough to make something right and make up for what I've lost. I was down, but things are looking up. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should.
So I did shampoo the carpet. The carpet really was not that bad, but my daughter again had another accident, so I was just like, okay, I'm gonna clean it, and that way it's just clean and I don't have to smell it. Yeah, I just wanted to get it cleaned up.
Like everything is new. Stepped on a path that led me straight to you. I was down, but things aren't looking up. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should.
So as you can see, the water really wasn't that bad, but I'm very glad that I did clean it. And then I'm going to dump out and show you guys the water for when I cleaned the walls, which was also not bad. The water was white because, one, my walls are white, so kind of some of that comes off, but also I was also using the magic eraser, and that also leaves a whitish debris-ish tint, whatever, to the water. So I'm just going to finish off with a little bit of laundry that needed to be folded and put away, so that way I can finish my daughter's bed.
Look at the same old stars, battle the same old wars, like so many times before. And I know that we're not perfect, but the fun times we had. I'll never forget. We will always share a bond, no matter what. 'Cause you have a piece of my heart. And I know that we're not perfect, but I'm gonna miss all that we had. Yeah, I know that we're not perfect, but I need this night for the last time. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay. If you stay, if you stay, if you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. Till the sun goes up, yeah, for a little moment. Just hold me closer, I'll be okay. We watch the sun go down over the same old town. Stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay, if you stay, if you stay, if you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay. It's time that we put out the fire. With every breath I breathe you out, we just can't take it any higher. It's only fair we let each other go without.
Okay, so this is either the next day or 2 days after. I am just going to do some laundry. I am sorting it and folding. I did want to touch on how I do my laundry. So I don't separate anything to do my laundry. Everything kind of just goes into my washer and I wash it that way. But as I fold, I do separate. So I separate all of my washcloths, towels, hand towels, everything. And then I separate my clothes, my husband's clothes, my daughter's clothes, and then our son's clothes. And I fold it that way. And that just makes it easier on me for when I am putting everything away.
Admit I don't long for your kiss, and I know you don't care. What we had was a bliss, but it's falling to bits. All of this is it. Our time is up. We both know it shouldn't have hurt this much. I don't want us to say it, but we've lost touch. Time to give up. Maybe we just wanted it to work too much. I don't want us to say it, but we've lost touch. So much for this love. Time to give it up. Can't see clear through the smoke you created. I feel my feet on the ground and they're shaking. How am I supposed to save the situation? While the steps getting wasted, even though we feel the same. Would you hug me in the dark? Let the worries go away. Would you do it all again? Do it all again? Would you leave your finger marks on my body while it sways? Would you light my way, find my way home again? My home is you. 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 Here we are, where we thought we'd never be. Is there ever a way to be free? Can we turn back time so long, my dear? How are we supposed to save the situation? Would you hug me in the dark? Let the worries go away. Would you do it all again? Do it all again? Would you leave your finger marks on my body while it sways? Would you light my way, find my way home again? My home is you. 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 My home is you.
Okay, so I'm just gonna finish off with some dishes, and that's gonna complete this video. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and got some really good cleaning motivation. And please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos. Turn on your notifications so that way you get notifications every time that I post. And I shall see you in the next one. Peace.